Your home is your safe haven, the place where you get to shut out the world and make your own rules. So why not make it your own kind of special? Hello, everyone. I am Deborah, and welcome to my pre-fall 2024 home decor. If you're not quite ready for the vivid oranges and reds that are quintessential autumn, but you want to update your space to start the transition from that long, hot summer, well, just take your cues from nature. I've updated a couple of my spaces with warm greens and those warm golden hues from the leaves that are just starting to turn. And I'm doing it on a budget by reusing some of my vases, pillow forms, and floral stems and adding some other budget friendly pieces. My hope is that what I'm about to show you here will inspire you. Take a look around your own space and see what items that you can reuse and repurpose, and be creative in ways that you never thought of before. So now it's time to decorate. But first, we need to remove the summer pieces, washing them, and then storing them away until next year. My kitchen is the only room in my home where I use seasonal window treatments. Every place else, I have neutral window coverings. And I absolutely love these panels that I'm using today because of the warm greens with hints of a brownish gold that speaks fall. A lot of times when decorating, just that one piece becomes the muse for and the springboard for everything else that you do. And because my kitchen and family room flow together, I use these curtain panels as the springboard for the colors that I use throughout these two rooms, along with my cues from nature. Together, these two things became my decorating inspiration. We may not be professional decorators, but we certainly do know what makes us feel good. So when you walk into a room and if it feels warm and it feels cozy and it feels like you want to take a seat and curl up with a good book, then you know you've done a great job. Your space, your rules, and that is certainly some kind of special.